In this video, I will show you quickly how we can get or bring all our modeling for the wall system into a new blend file. And that's very easy. You notice there is no export as Blender here. So you might think, well, we could make a copy of this file and then we delete all the stuff we don't want inside that file, aka everything besides that wall system. But there's an easier way. So this file we save, then we will make a new file, go again to File, and here append. That is what we want to have. Before we continue, append and link are pretty much the same. With link, however, I can display the content of a different Blender file inside what we see here right now. With append, I really copy something over. So let's go append. Then navigate to where we have our studio space file. By the way, turning on preview gives you a preview of this the 3D geometry. Double click and look at that. We are looking into the Blender file. So all these folders, there's everything that's stored in it. Textures, world, material, meshes. Oh, look there, our doorknobs. So you see also naming stuff really helps. Let's go to collection, double click, scroll down. There's my wall system and wall bool. I know that this is inside my wall system collection. So this I want to append. And there we are. This here I can drag into there. This collection I can delete, turn this off. And there I have my part. So I basically showed you the process how we can build something in context. So this space or this thing was built inside a room, and then this way we can copy it out. For example, with furniture, we can build them individually and then bring them into an architectural interior exhibit design space too. Here we just made a new file to append this. In, let's say with the furniture, we want to place this into a studio. We open the studio file, we modeled, and then append all the furniture in. And the last step here then to do is simply save this file wherever you want. And that's it.